you ever wake up feeling like your body's already behind before the day even starts? Stiff shoulders, a tight lower back, legs that feel heavy before you've even taken your first step? It's not just the effects of aging, it's the wear and tear of everyday life. Too much sitting, too little movement, and stress stored in your muscles. The good news? You don't need to push through pain or spend hours in the gym to feel better. Just a few intentional stretches each day can help you reset, recharge, and feel more at home in your body. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 simple, powerful stretches that target the areas where tension hides and help bring back the freedom to move with ease. Stick with me, and by the end, your body will feel lighter, looser, and more aligned. Let's begin. 1. Cat-cow stretch. We'll start by waking up your spine with one of the most effective and gentle movements, the cat-cow stretch. If your back feels stiff from sitting, scrolling, or long hours at a desk, this stretch is your best friend. It gets your spine moving again and sets the tone for the rest of your body. Begin on all fours with your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees aligned under your hips. Take a deep breath in as you arch your back. Lift your head, tilt your pelvis upward, and allow your belly to drop. This is the cow position. Then, exhale slowly as you round your spine. Tuck your tailbone and draw your chin toward your chest. This is cat. Move back and forth between these two positions for 10 to 15 slow, controlled repetitions, letting your breath guide the motion. This flow lubricates the spine, eases tension in your neck and lower back, and gently improves your posture with every cycle. 2. Calf stretch. Next up, the calves, a muscle group that quietly works overtime. From walking and climbing stairs to simply standing still, your calves support your entire lower body. But when they tighten up, they can limit ankle movement, affect your gait, and even cause knee or foot pain. To stretch them out, stand facing a wall and place both hands flat against it. Step 1 foot back and keep that back leg straight with the heel pressed firmly to the floor. Bend your front knee slightly and lean into the wall until you feel a solid stretch through the calf of your back leg. Keep your hips square and your toes pointing forward. Hold the position for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then switch legs. If you'd like a deeper stretch, try standing on a step or curb. Place the ball of your foot on the edge and gently let your heel drop down until you feel the release. This stretch improves ankle mobility, supports balance, and helps prevent injuries like Achilles strain or plantar fasciitis. 3. Butterfly stretch. Now, let's unlock your hips with the butterfly stretch. Perfect for loosening tight inner thighs and groin muscles. When your hips are tight, they can throw off your posture and cause discomfort in the lower back. This stretch helps counteract that. Sit on the floor with your spine tall and your legs extended in front of you. Bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees drop gently out to the sides. Hold your feet or ankles, lift your chest, and avoid rounding your back. Now gently lean forward from your hips, not from your upper back, and stop when you feel a deep but comfortable stretch in your inner thighs. You can let your elbows rest on your thighs if it feels natural, but don't force your knees down. Let gravity do the work. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute, breathing deeply. This stretch increases hip mobility, improves flexibility in the groin area, and gives your lower body the freedom to move more naturally. Number 4. Supine twist. We'll finish with a stretch that melts away tension from your spine and shoulders, the supine twist. It's a gentle but powerful move that not only increases spinal mobility, but also helps the body reset, especially after a long or stressful day. Lie on your back with your arms extended out to the sides in a T shape. Bend your knees and bring them up toward your chest. Then slowly lower them to one side while turning your head in the opposite direction. Try to keep both shoulders grounded on the floor. Breathe deeply into the twist. You should feel the stretch across your lower back, outer hip, and even into your upper body. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then return to center and switch sides. This stretch releases spinal tension, improves digestion, and promotes a feeling of calm and balance, the perfect way to end your routine. You just gave your body the attention it deserves, and that matters. These 4 stretches might seem simple, but done consistently, they can change how you move, how you feel, and how you show up each day. Remember, mobility isn't something we lose overnight, and it's not something we gain back overnight either. But a little bit of daily movement can make a world of difference. So keep showing up. Your body will thank you. If this helped you, pass it on to someone who could use a little more freedom in their movement. And don't forget to subscribe for more ways to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free at any age. Take a deep breath, stand tall, and carry that energy into the rest of your day.